The Keychron Q1 Max is a premium mechanical keyboard that seamlessly blends exceptional build quality with versatile connectivity options, catering to both professional typists and gaming enthusiasts. Design and build quality. Crafted with a solid aluminum frame, the Q1 Max exudes durability and a premium feel. Its compact layout ensures a space-efficient design without compromising functionality. Connectivity. The Q1 Max offers multiple connectivity options to suit various user preferences. It supports wired connections via USB-C and provides wireless capabilities through Bluetooth and a 2.4 GHz receiver. Users can seamlessly switch between up to 5 devices, enhancing productivity across different platforms. Performance and typing experience. Equipped with a 1000 Hz polling rate, the Q1 Max delivers responsive performance suitable for gaming and typing tasks. The keyboard features a double gasket-mounted design, providing a cushioned and comfortable typing experience. Backlighting. While the keyboard offers full RGB backlighting, it's important to note that the stock keycaps are not shine-through, and the PCB features south-facing LEDs. This design choice may make key legends less visible in low-light environments. Overall, the Keychron Q1 Max stands out as a top-tier mechanical keyboard, boasting exceptional build quality, versatile connectivity, and a comfortable typing experience. Its extensive customization options make it a strong contender for those seeking a high-performance keyboard. Thank you so much.